Guys, I am Isa. Today, we're going to learn how to use Hyperscript. So yeah, Hyperscript is basically kind of like, well, this Hyperscript. Hyperscript basically just to make JavaScript easier. So if you want to use Hyperscript, then you're going to have to go to this website, which is at hyperscript.org, then copy this link, and paste it into our project. Alright, so now let's learn how to use it. So, let's add a H1. So this just says hello. If we want to add Hyperscript code to this, I have to write underscore. So h1 underscore equals 2. So let's say set x to 1. As you can see, the Hyperscript has index highlighting. And the reason why is because I stored an extension called underscore Hyperscript. So now if you want to use Hyperscript, then you better install that extension since it's pretty good. Then put it into the next H1. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna change this to a button. So it might seem a bit confusing, but I'm gonna explain after this. So I'm gonna add a H1 here. But yeah, I'm going to write on quick. It says no. It's not meant to say no. There. Perfect. Now let me explain. So on click means that when it's clicked, sets x to 1. Okay, let's just call it 4. I'm gonna explain that later. So, because set x to 1, then it's gonna put x into the next h1. So, yeah, also z just acts as white space. So, you can do it without z, it's still gonna work. But you just do that to make your code more readable. So, we can write, instead of writing set x to 1, I can write increment x. Now it does that. Then put it into the next h1. Instead of writing it, you could write results or z results. But yeah, I prefer to just write it because it's shorter. So on click, increment x, then put it into the next h1. You can also do other things like CSS. So like on click, toggle dot s on me. Dot s is meant to be a class. Oh yeah, for some reason there's something wrong with the extension. We'll have to write end every time. Don't know why. But yeah, we add a style tag and I'm gonna write .s. Background, blue, border, none, border radius, 100 max. Well, another button becomes like that. So yeah, instead of writing me, we can use. Okay, yeah, that doesn't work. So on click toggle.s on me and like write toggle s on. Let me try the next h1. As you can see, toggle on the next h1. So I'm renaming the button toggle s. So yeah, toggle s. So yeah, you can also use log. So on click log h. Oh yeah, I have to use single of this thing because yeah. If you want to add Hyperscript code, then you can write script type equals text slash Hyperscript. Go say yeah. I can say log h. Okay, that's short. Yeah, let's not use this because that way it's not really efficient anyways. So I'll click log h. As you can see, it keeps logging h. Log h every time. Anyways, so yeah, just keep walking the page. You're supposed to say put 5 into the next page. To the next page 1. So we can also use strings here. So put A is the next H1. Let's go check next H1 to A. So yeah. So if you go to the Hyperscript docs, you will see all these things. That's what we stuff. Alright, so time to explain, you know, set x2. So to explain this x thing, I mean this column thing I put before x. So this is why is Hyperscript has scope. So this thing means it's global scope. If you add a hashtag, I mean this thing, that means it's global scope. So you can use it anywhere. So let me add another button. I'm gonna say on click. I'm gonna also add a H2. I have H1 and H2. I'm just gonna call this button just to repeat again, because why not? And here I'm gonna call this BTN 2. Alright, so, and the original BTN, because it's not original, so I'm gonna say on click and put X into the next H2. So yeah, it's a global variable, so it will work every time. If I change it to this, it's a local variable. You can always use the variable be btn2, so it says no. So I'm gonna say increment x, then put it in the next h1. It doesn't quite work, so we add this to a local variable. So you know, yeah, because if it's just if you don't write anything, that means it's just a one-time variable. You can use it once that's gone. So I'll use that. So yeah, as you can see, basically it does that. Oh yeah, if you have comments in Hyperscript, then just like 2 of this. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's what about our good? We'll learn more about Hyperscript on the tutorials, but right now this is all I'm gonna do. But anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.